Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're making one of our favorite smoothies. For this smoothie, I'm using 2 cups of frozen strawberries, 7 ounces of Greek yogurt, 2 frozen bananas, 2/3 cup of apple juice, 1 cup of almond milk. When I'm putting everything in the blender, I like to put the solids before the liquid, just so it doesn't splash too much. If you don't have frozen fruit, you can add about 6 to 8 cubes of ice. My smoothie came out a little chunky, but I don't mind eating the chunks of fruit while I drink it, so I left them in. If you don't want your smoothie to be chunky like mine, you could always blend it longer, but you might need to add a little ice because it gets warmer the longer you blend it. Time to try it out! I think Luna wants some too. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you liked it down below in the comments.